Basil leaves, or Ocimum basilicum var minimum in Latin, are a type of herbal plant that is widely used as an ingredient in cooking to provide a unique aroma and flavor. These small, oval or toothed leaves with their bright green color are commonly used in various dishes such as soups, salads, noodles, rice, and as garnish on specific dishes, adding a fresh, sweet, and aromatic taste that adds a distinctive touch to culinary creations. Basil plants are generally found in tropical and subtropical regions and are known by various local names in different parts of the world. Apart from their culinary uses, basil leaves also have historical value in traditional medicine, with some known to have potential health benefits due to their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Basil leaves are also rich in various essential nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, fiber, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium, which can contribute to overall health and well-being. One of the main reasons why basil leaves are often used in cooking and traditional medicine is due to their antioxidant properties. Basil leaves contain antioxidant compounds such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and ascorbic acid, which can help fight free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage body cells and potentially cause degenerative diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and premature aging. By consuming basil leaves, you can provide your body with a natural source of antioxidants that may help combat these harmful free radicals. Basil leaves are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to protect against harmful stimuli, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues. Basil leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which may be beneficial in reducing the risk of inflammatory diseases such as arthritis. Furthermore, basil leaves are believed to have antimicrobial potential, which can help fight bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. Some active compounds found in basil leaves, such as eugenol, have antimicrobial properties that can help boost the immune system and promote overall health. In addition to their potential health benefits, some preliminary studies suggest that basil leaves may have anti-cancer properties. Certain compounds found in basil leaves have been shown to inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells and induce apoptosis or cell death in cancer cells. However, more research is needed to fully understand the potential anti-cancer effects of basil leaves. Apart from their potential health benefits, basil leaves are also known for their digestive support properties. They have carminative properties, which can help relieve digestive disorders such as bloating, gas, and other digestive problems, making them a popular ingredient in traditional remedies for digestive issues. However, it's important to keep in mind that the health and nutritional benefits of basil leaves should be consumed as part of an overall healthy diet and lifestyle. Basil leaves should be used in moderation and consulted with medical professionals or nutrition experts if you have specific health conditions or are considering their use as a supplement.